Period. Cut. And the color burgundy. Why? No, why? They face a gender directly and leave women in. If you see the babe's a materialistic babe, approach her with material. I have shit to say. Guys, I want to be Instagram baddies. Challenge me. Your girl is 20 years old. Want crazy, you get crazy. Instagram stress. I can be mad some. I know I can be mad.
Something I planned was
it's giving everything and more. Hey lads, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queeneth Henshaw, and if you are seeing this pretty face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And you've been seeing this face right here, you're welcome back to my channel. Coming to you with another hair routine. Y'all know how much I love to switch up my hairstyle. I've gone from multicolored braids to red braids to green braids to brown braids, and I just want something new, something different. So why not just change my hairstyle again? I actually wanted to do this hairstyle for the longest, ever since I did it the last time, and it looks so cute on me, so why wouldn't I do it again? But this time I wanted to add a twist to it. Period. Wordplay. To braid my hair, I'll be using the springy afro twist hair from ZRQ Beauty and Hair on Amazon. This is how one pack looks. It's actually really long. I wasn't expecting it to be this long. This hair is 16 inches and in the color burgundy because, you know, y'all know I love colored hair. You won't catch me doing black hair. So this is how my hair looks right now. I think I'm just going to stretch it out a bit before I begin parting. I'm also going to show you guys how I part my hair, like anytime I'm doing my hair myself, which is obviously every time. I'm so excited for this video if you can't tell, but let's get right into it. Let's skip all this chit chat. I'm about to stretch my hair and then we'll just get right into parting my hair. Basically, when I braid my hair, I FaceTime myself so I can see the back of my hair. This actually makes parting my hair faster and easier. Like before, I used to use 2 mirrors, but now I prefer this method because I'm more relaxed and I can actually see without stretching my hands or anything. To be honest, for this hairstyle, I didn't really care about having clean parts, but doing my hair myself for so long, my parts are always clean. After parting my hair, I had a total of about 28 braids to twist. The ZRQ Springy Afro Twist hair has 8 packs in one. I got the 16 inches and it was very long, that's why I decided to cut it into half. This hair comes pre-stretched, pre-fluffed, pre-separated, so we really don't have to do much when you're using this hair. You basically just have to take the section that you want and start braiding your hair. If you're new to my channel, I do have a detailed how to twist your hair yourself up on my channel, so you can check that out. But if you haven't seen it, this is basically what I do. I try to twist the separate strands before twisting my hair.
No, you're lying. So do you think I would actually go out of my way, right, to turn the eggs upside down to impress a dude? Oh, hell no.
I feel like I'm not going to get through doing my hair, but that's actual cap, because I've actually met guys that just want to impress their, like they just want to show, like, there's some certain times I'll just be like, is this necessary? Like, why? No, why? Like, why?
Half the time, dudes do things to impress other dudes because it looks good.
Bro, all these guys I want to be Instagram baddies. Like, it's always so funny to me.
A lot of my, if you're going on a date, you do makeup. Not because you want to also look good. Okay, yes, you look good for yourself. Yes. But don't you also don't do it to look good for the man that you're going to see?
No!
Of course I want to look good if I'm going out with you. Like, I don't want to be looking like some village ass girl if I'm going to be standing
I'm going out with that's what I was saying. Like,
man, what are a lot of people our age right now looking for? What are they going out there for?
Money.
A lot of people.
Money,
Let's talk about the podcast men. Men that literally just have podcasts to
And what percent of men is that?
Black.
Like this, like what she just said, this is the thing. This is the thing. Like, I don't want to say black men, but men in general, like I do not understand how they get on TikTok, how they get on Twitter, how they get on podcasts, and then come and start teaching women how to be women. There's just some certain threads I've seen on Twitter, and I'm just like, I know these things already. Like, why are you teaching me how to be a woman? Like, you should be teaching your fellow man how to be a man, since you know all these things that women want and women do. Like, leave us alone. Let us live. Like, leave us alone. Like, face your side, face your people, face who, like your gender, face your gender directly, and leave women alone. Stay out of women's business.
Men, if you attack my feminism, because I don't understand what feminism is. Because you already have rights. What are you fighting for? That's the thing. Say somebody's trying to use it for your money that you don't even have. So who's trying to use it for your money? And it's always the ones that don't have money that say they want to use it for money. And I don't want you to be late. Nigerian men, they have their craze, but I'm a Nigerian woman. I will give it to you right back. Okay, they know what they are getting. I know what I'm getting.
What qualities should a good woman have?
But that's the thing. The qualities a good woman should have is a quality a good person should have.
Yeah.
Because I'm saying, dudes do not approach you off of their character. They approach you for money because they know that I feel like guys know this, but you guys choose to be tone deaf.
Like, this is what I do not understand. If you see me, right, and you see that I'm a materialistic person, why would you now like approach me without materials? Like, why would you come and disturb my peace? You know, like, this babe likes to get her hair done every week, she likes to get her nails done, she likes to go out, she likes to eat, she likes to shop. Like, why would you now come and now try to like oppress her lifestyle? Like, why would you come and now start to like tell her you do this too much, you change this much, no, you start complaining? Like, nah. If you see the babe is a materialistic babe, approach her with materials, and when you approach her with materials, keep like supplying the materials. Don't stop like let's continue.
Well, love doesn't last, you know, forever.
Yeah.
You stop loving someone. I mean, yes, you love them, but it's not the same way that it was at the beginning.
Why do you want someone to stick with you?
So because
it's like you have to do the work yourself. Sit down and educate yourself more than the information that you're feeding, because you could be doing research, but if it's all feeding into your ideology, you're not going to grow as a person.
We're all in our 20s, we're all still trying to figure it out. So like, nobody's actually perfect, like she said. Like, everybody has their issues. I don't have issues, so let me just say I don't have issues. I'm a perfect somebody, but like, it's just certain things I can relate to, because your girl is 20. So like, I'm also learning at the same time. Maybe there's some things that she said that I would have just like overlooked because it's not happening to me. But like, when you just listen to things from other people's perspective, like just see the way other people see things, like just have a different view, have a different opinion. This is why I feel like it's very important to experience that. It's very important to like put yourself out there, like not put yourself like through situations, but like have your own experiences, like so you can have something to look back and be like, oh shit, I went through this and this is what I learned from. Like, if you're closed-minded, if you're like if you're not trying to put yourself, if you're not trying to grow as a person, I would not want to be around you. I would just be like, why the fuck? I'm not trying to cuss, yeah, I cuss a little, and I like to be around people that challenge me. Like, okay, you said this, I said this, you said this, I said this. We will have our differences, but like, I know I can't always be right as a person. Like, if you go like through life thinking that you're always right, like what you're doing is always right, what you say is always right, you're not going to grow. You're not growing as a person. I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but nah. Have people that will challenge you, that will challenge some of the statements you make. Like, that's why I actually love like my best friend. I love this babe too much. Like, she's someone that understands me. Like, we had very different opinions for some things. I would say what I have to say, she would say what she has to say, but then when we both calm down, like, and start to reason, like, oh, what she's saying actually makes sense, like seeing it from her point of view, because sometimes your own point of view can blind you from the actual truth. I feel like I have to get my best friend here. We just need to just talk on certain topics, because you see how two different opinions or two different views can change the way you actually look at some things, like look at life sometimes. But like, I have shit to say, and I'm going to say it, and you're going to hear it, because that's on period. That's on period. Definitely check out our podcast. Like, it's like, I'm not even on some promoting shit, it's just something like I love to listen to. I told like when I listen to our podcast, like, babe, like, I love what you're doing. Like, I love
when you're like doing any type of like content creation, when you're not in the space mentally, like it really takes a toll on your work. You don't find your work exciting. This was just such a chore for me. It was something that really annoyed me, and I never ever want to feel that way again, because this is something that I love doing and I want to keep doing.
I feel like that's why I actually took this long break off of YouTube, because I wasn't enjoying doing YouTube anymore. I just felt like it became forced. No, I can't come on screen and be fake to you guys. I just felt like it wasn't genuine anymore. It got to a point where I was just like, I need to let go. Like, I need to let go. I need to find myself again. I need to find the reason why I enjoy doing YouTube. And I think that after I took that break, after I just let everything go, like the stress of gaining subscribers, stress of likes, stress of like gaining followers, stress of like Instagram stress. Nah, nothing has stressed me more in my life than Instagram. Forget like the brand influence, like the brands I get, the money I'm paid. I forget all that shit. The point I am right now in my life, I feel like yes, I'm stable enough, I'm happy, like I'm just in a positive environment, and I want to share that positivity with you guys. But like, yes, I want you guys to finally meet me. Like, I want you to know who I am as a person. Like, forget Instagram shit. Like, I want you to know who I am as a person. I feel like I can be quiet, and at the same time I can be crazy. But when I got on camera, I feel like I couldn't show that part of, I couldn't show my who I really am, because Instagram, like, you want girls that nah. If you want crazy, you get crazy. If you want sweet, you get sweet. If you want tush, baby, I can be classic, I can be bougie. Take me out to dinner, baby, I can do that. Yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this new chapter. I'm excited for like this new vibe I'm bringing to you guys. It's 2022, chapter 20. Your girl is 20 years old. Mado. But after my little tech talk, I was finally done with the braids at the back. For the tribal braids or cornrows in front, I tried to use pieces of the springy Afro twist hair, but it just kept on getting tangled, so I actually decided to just braid my hair with my natural hair without adding any extra hair to it. And honestly, it made it a whole lot easier, and the process became much faster. Again, if you want to learn how to cornrow your hair, I have a beginner 101 how to cornrow your hair on my YouTube channel. I went step by step.
Hey YouTube, it's the best friend checking in.
Period. Looking fine. She said fit. She said outfit. She said outfit check. She said outfit check. You see what then again?
I said you did so blessed.
Oh dear.
I woke up laughing. Like, see my village for in the background. Alright, I'll let you when I get back, alright?
Alright.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
I'll play music now.
I know, bye. After I got off the phone with my best friend, I decided to catch up on some Tamiwa Rodia, my favorite YouTuber. I finished half of the hair on camera and decided to do the other half off camera. For the ends, I used the same method. I just cut the hair into half and started twisting it. If you look closely, you can see that I twist the two strands separately first before twisting them together. This method just helps to make sure that the twist stays and it's tight. Finally, after about 4 hours, your girl was done with her hair. I trimmed the ends, I used some mousse on my hair, and I also used some hairspray, giving myself the Saloon Special. If you can see my best friend. She came to keep me company. I love the fact that this hair is really light, soft, and fluffy. It feels like I have nothing on my hair. Okay, loves, it comes the end of yet another hair routine video, hairstyling video. I mean, we did this together. We created a masterpiece, like for a work of art right now. I'm going to leave the details to this hair in the description box. So if you guys love this hair like I love it, like it's given. It's given everything and more. So if you love this hair like I do, I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description box. If you also enjoyed listening to the podcast with me and you want to listen to more of her podcast, Living in 20s, I'm going to leave a link to the Spotify playlist. I'm going to leave a link to her podcast in the description box also, so y'all can check it out. If you felt the vibe like I felt the vibe, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do me a huge favor by clicking the subscribe button and also turning on your notification bell, because I'm coming back with back-to-back content. Like, you don't want to miss anything, I promise. If you have any opinions or views on like the things we talked about in this video, please leave a comment. Like, I want to interact with you guys. Leave your views, leave your opinions, leave your like own thoughts in the comment section below, or you can shoot me a DM, Queenzilla, on everything, period. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back to spend time with me. Like, thank you for watching to the very end. And you know what it is, I'll see you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.